In this lesson, we'll start to build the video in Premiere Pro. On a Mac, go to the dock and click on the Launchpad app. And then go to the search bar at the top and start to write the word Premiere. Adobe Premiere Pro, let's click on the app to open it up. On the top left, click on the New Project button. In the project name, let's write Foolish Mortal. Click on the location and click on Choose Location. In the Save dialog box, click on the arrow here. That gives us more choices. I'm going to open this up a little bit bigger. Click on Desktop, click on the Assets folder, and then click on the button that says New Folder. We're going to name this folder Video because we're making a video. Click Create. The file format is Adobe Premiere Pro Project. Click the Select button. The video folder has been created right here. And when we click Create, it's going to open up Premiere Pro. And if we open up the video folder, we have the foolishmortal.prproj. This is our working file to make our video in Premiere Pro. In Premiere Pro, the first thing I'm going to do, click on the workspace on the top right, and then click on Text-Based Editing. We're going to set the settings for transcription. So whenever you bring a video into Premiere Pro will transcribe all the dialogue. Click on the Premiere Pro dropdown, click on Settings, and then click on Transcription. At the top, click on Automatically Transcript Clips. We're going to auto-transcribe all imported clips, and then click on OK. The first thing we'll do is take the narration and drag it into the timeline. When I do that, I want you to look at this panel up here called Transcript. You'll see it do its magic by transcribing the dialogue from the narration. Let's drag that in and drop it down here on the timeline. You'll see that the dialogue that I narrated has been transcribed. Now here's the cool part to this. If I click on the little golf tee icon right here, and then click on Pauses, and then click on Delete, and then click on Delete All. Watch all the spaces here disappear. Click Delete All. Now, it's removed all the spaces between the talking, and I can move areas around to where I want them to be. This is great if you're doing a video with somebody and there's lots of pauses between your conversation. This really helps, and it saves a lot of time. This lesson will continue in the next video.